Hello everyone, choose a lovely scarf and drop it over your neck and have the left one come around over in one loop and have it tied with a knot and have it one more knot securing it further. Then after that loosen the scarf a little bit and move it to the left, adjusting the shape. Fold your scarf into half and drop it over your neck and have it tips into a knot and drop the left one into the loop we have and have it crisscross and have another knot and have it crisscross each other twice and drop it into its own loop and adjust the shape after that. Drop your scarf from the front side and have the tips come around and have it come back at the front. Then have it hidden underneath the middle section and have a knot and drop the left one from bottom to top into the loop and have it tighten by having another knot and have it secure there and extend the scarf for volume. Once again, fold the scarf into half and drop it around your neck and have the right one drop into its loop and have it come down and tighten a little bit and have another knot securing that further. Then after that, twist them across each other until you reach the bottom middle part and have it dropped into its own loop from bottom to front and have it come down and adjust the shape. Create a knot in the middle of your scarf and have it tied from the front and make the tips come around back to the front. Then loosen the knot making a loop and drop the right one into it and vice versa for the left side and adjust the shape. If you want, you can keep it on the right or left depending on your fashion choice. Drop your scarf from the back of your neck and have it twist across each other until you reach the bottom middle part and have it dropped into its own loop and tighten a little bit and loosen the knot and have the right tail go into it, vice versa for the left one and adjust the shape of the knot and the tips as well. Drop your scarf from the back side and have it crisscross each other twice and have it dropped into one loop and have it come back and loosen the loop and have the right tail into it and do the vice versa for the left one and adjust the shape. Insert your scarf in the first gap of your buttons on your shirt and have a knot created and tighten a little bit and have it go into one loop from behind and have it come back, loosen the knot and drop the right tail into it. Do the same vice versa for the left one, adjust the shape. Drop your scarf from the back side and have the right one go into one cycle and have the left one go into the loop and twist the loop and drop the right one into it, tighten a little bit and scrub the knot for making it fluffy. Fold your scarf into half and using both of your hands, twist the loop and drop the tails into it and tighten a little bit. Or you can make them crisscross each other making a knot and this time you can drop the tail into it. Drop your scarf from front and make it go in one cycle and have it come back and loosen it up to your chest and have it twisted and with that loop drop the left tail into it and make it come down. Do the same vice versa for the right side and tighten a little bit, adjust the shape. Fold your scarf into half and create a knot with the tails we have and drop the left one into the loop we first created and have it tighten a little bit by having another knot at the bottom. Then also drop it into your own loop but do not make it come down but make it fluffy. Once again, fold the scarf into half and drop it over your neck and have the entire tail go into the loop and twist the loop forming another one and drop the tail back into the loop and tighten the tail a little bit and also scrunch the middle one making it more fluffy and adjust the shape. Drop your scarf over your neck and have it crisscross each other twice and make it go in one cycle and have it come back. Then loosen the second loop a little bit and drop the right tail into the left loop and vice versa for the left side and tighten a little bit and adjust the middle one for the shape and volume. Drop your scarf over your neck and make it twist across each other twice and use your finger to secure a loop and drop the left tail into the own loop and make it come down and drop the right tail into the loop we just now created and have it tighten a little bit, adjust the shape. Choose your lovely scarf and scrunch it in the middle using your finger, making it fluffy. Then after that, tie a knot in the middle one. Then stretch the knot outwards by making it fluffy. Continue doing it until you reach a thicker manner. Then after that, tie it around your neck from the front. Thank you everyone for watching this video.